Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So I came back to see tomatoes at the market for $50 a pound. Usually the other day after Melissa it was $600, and then it went down to $400, and now $50. Simple Life, I couldn't believe it. But whenever the tomato get to this price, this is the time when I normally buy up quite a few pounds and dehydrate them, and so that when the price is gone up, I forgot to take out the tomato powder, but I'll take it out in another video and show you, you know, how I do when there's a lot of tomato. So lots of times when it's at $400, I am using dehydrated tomato, or I'm using tomato powder to cook with, and I leave it right where it is at the market for the $400 a pound. Okay, so what I am doing today is I'm going to season up these tomatoes, and I'm going to dehydrate them. So with clean hands, my hands were previously washed, because you know I'm always concerned about not making the video too long. So I kind of prepped something and started ahead of you. Okay, so this recipe was inspired by Sister Anthea. She made a smoked tomato. She said it tastes like smoked herring. And she made it sound so good, Simple Life, that, you know, I asked her for the recipe. She gave me the recipe, but of course, I am not doing it the exact way that she told me, because I'm asking her to have a YouTube channel for herself so that she can show you her way. So this is inspired by her, but it's not exactly the same way that she does it. And if she doesn't have her channel, then I'll try to get her on here to show you how she does it. And another thing, I do mine in the dehydrator and she does hers in the oven. But it is so good. I don't have to taste it. Just the way how she showed me, I said I have to do it to show you. So anyways, I don't remember if Sister Anthea take out the juices out of hers, but I'm taking this out of mine, because when I put it in the dehydrator with the olive oil that I'm going to use to marinate it, all this water is gonna be even more watery, and so it's going to seep over the container that I will be dehydrating in. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop here. So I cut them like in cubes like that, so that, and then I take out the inside. And what I do with these now, Simple Life, I sow them so that I can still get more tomatoes. So these are from our garden, and this is a tomato salad, just tomatoes with some seasoning, and then here is some fresh ones that my husband got from at the back, the what you call that now, dear? The garden at the back. So simple. I was gonna say something, but no. So here it is now. This is what I am doing with them. So I cut them, take out most of the water so that it's not too runny, too liquidy, and then I'm going to season it up. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. Okay, so Simple Life, you know, this dish it kind of remind me of Italians use olive oil, right?
Yes,
and oregano and Italian seasoning. So you're Italian. So that's where I'm going with this. So to that now, this is some Italian seasoning. So I'm just going to sprinkle some on here. I prefer to use my hands when I do things, so that I don't really love the gloves so much. This is an all-purpose seasoning that I make with onions, scallion, thyme, tomato, carrots, celeries, just all kind of herbs, natural seasoning is in there. Did I put the oregano? Probably not. All right, some oregano there. This is smoked paprika. So this is one thing that I'm copying from Sister Anthea because she said it's smoked herring. So I'm thinking I need something smoky in order to give it that smoke. And I love smoked paprika. It gives everything a nice oomph feeling. And this one now is chili pepper with sea salt. So this putting this here instead of putting the salt. That's a mixture. Lots of garlic. I love garlic, so I'm putting the garlic in there. And here I have some thyme. So I'm just gonna put a couple sprigs of thyme in this. And okay, previously taken care of. Here I have some purple onion with some white ones, and I'm just going to mix it up here. I don't think I need all of that. And then I have some celeries. This Simple Life, this is like a meat. When you put it on your whatever, you don't need to have anything else to go with that.
Don't.
Oh gosh. And this is some purple scallion. Purple scallion. And that's it right there, Simple Life. I think I have everything that it takes.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Thank you. Where did I put the olive oil, sweetie?
It's in the jar.
Oh, there it is. Okay. And then here is some olive oil. No, I'm just gonna, you could put coconut oil, but because we're trying to go off the theme of the Italian with the oregano and the garlic and stuff, we use the olive oil. Oh. And that will give it a nice flavor. And you could cut it in two, but when you cut it in two, it's gonna take a little longer. So I choose to cut it this way because I want the seasoning to get down inside of it. So what you do, Simple Life, you rub it up like that and let the seasoning get to know the tomatoes and let everybody, stay there and talk and have a good time. And you could even cover this up and leave it so that it can, marinate even more. Okay, this already can eat just like this, Simple Life. You know that, right? But the reason why I'm dehydrating it is, or you could put it in the oven, is because I want to put it away. I want the flavor.
And preserve it.
And to preserve it. Thank you, dear. What would I do? All right. So here it is now. I'm going to put this in the dehydrating sheet. So I'm using the Teflex that has the lip so that it will hold whatever. So I try to make sure that the cups are turned up so that whatever onions, sweet pepper can go inside of it, whatever seasoning can go inside of it. Simple Life, this looks so good. Did you know you could just have a meal with this only? You can if you wanted to. You don't have to have this with anything. You could just have this with some quinoa. You could have this with some nice homemade bread. This could make a bruschetta. It's so many ways you could do this. And when you go, like for us, we go to the farm, and when we come back, it's always nice to have something like this so that we don't have to spend too much time in the kitchen trying to, I don't want to make two, so The other thing about this Simple Life, once it starts cooking, it starts shrinking. So when it's cooking in the dehydrator, it will shrink and everything will find its own space. Right now they're fighting for a position, but they will get their own soon. Okay. And that's it. Oh. This is it, Simple Life. And for this now, I'm going to put it in the dehydrator overnight. I'm going to turn it down and just let it stay there and do its own cooking. Hold on, Simple Life. Let me put this away and show you one that is already done. Just stay right here, sweetie. Don't move. Alright, so that's in. And this is one I have here that is finished. So this one, it has the
Been dehydrated already.
this one has been dehydrated already. This one has the tomatoes, onions, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, and you can see the olive oil.
You like the aroma.
Yes. And see how it shrinks down to this. And I could have left it